Welcome again to raigurukul.com. In this video, we'll discuss about how to get Jira issue change log using REST API. If we'll talk about get change logs, it will return a paginated list of all change log of an issue sorted by date starting from the oldest. This operation can be accessed anonymously. For this, we need to have the administrator login credentials where we can fetch the detail by using Postman or any other API where we have to provide the domain name and post that the URL which we talk about REST API 3 and then the issues. Here we have to write the issue number. So we'll see here how to get changelog through REST API in Jira in detail. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing and pressing bell icon for more updates. So as I said, Jira change logs will get at a return. As I said, Jira change logs will get through a paginated list of all change log of an issue sorted by date starting from the oldest. You can see here the format is given here. We have to do get request so that we can get the response as soon as possible, where you can see here the different details will be available here, but as of now we are sorting with the shortest length where we can get the complete detail about change logs. You can see here the user related information is available here. Domain name is specifically mentioned like issue ID and change log. So here we are tracking with the individual issue ID. So let's say we are tracking for SSP 9 and then we'll copy the change log. Now, once I will click on send, I will get the complete change or liquid where we will get maximum results as 100, start at 0, total 0 is last true, and values will be available in null where we will get also self details where we can do the complete change log in some other locations. As if I will copy and paste this location into browser, I will get a complete detail about my change log in an issue. You can see here the maximum result is the maximum number of items to return per page, where default value is 100 and format is integer 32. Start at is the index of a first item to return in a page of result page offset, where we can also provide the ID, that is a issue ID. Request is basically a path parameter where we'll get the complete detail. So this is how we can get Jira issues change log using REST API. Hope you enjoyed it. If you really think so, this is very useful, you can share within your circle. Thank you for watching.